Hey, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a Volkswagen? This might be it. This is the 2010. The Volkswagen Jetta. Stock number is T20418A. Take notice of the exterior condition of this V-dub. No dings, no dents. Show you the ample cargo space and room in the back. What I love about it is the cover. That way, if you have valuables, those less than nice people won't be able to see what you are carrying in the back for luggage and groceries or whatever you may have, like the rims on this one also. Low miles, look at the ample legroom in the back. No rips, no tears, no stains on the interior. And no virtual video walk around would be complete without putting you in the driver's seat, as we're going to do right here. Nice moonroof. Love the interior color too. Automatic transmission, of course. This Volkswagen is not going to last long. For more information, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet you in person. Better yet, we hope we can earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.